In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Freshsales to another CRM. This process will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, we're going to need to perform a quick web search. For this example, let's look up HubSpot, one of the more popular CRMs out there. This will give us a general idea of how connecting Freshsales to a CRM typically works. Now that you've performed your search, go ahead and log into your CRM of choice. Make sure you have your Freshsales API key and domain ready, as these are crucial for connecting the two systems together successfully. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Connected Apps section. This is a bit like the Control Hub, where you can manage various integrations and applications. From there, click on Go to App Marketplace. The Marketplace will showcase numerous applications and integrations that you can install, including the one we need for integrating your CRM with Freshsales. Next, click Install to download and add the necessary application or integration tool, which will facilitate the connection between Freshsales and your chosen CRM. During this step, you'll want to paste the Freshsales subdomain and API key. Be prepared for a login prompt from Freshsales or possibly an OAuth process. These steps are in place to authorize the connection securely, ensuring the data shared is protected and reaches the intended systems. Once you've authorized the connection, it's time to map the fields. This means you'll be aligning specific data fields from Freshsales, like names, emails, or company information, to the corresponding fields in your other CRM. Think of it as pairing socks. You're linking the correct information to ensure accurate data transfer. After mapping the fields, set the direction of the sync. This could be a one-way sync from Freshsales to your new CRM, or a bidirectional sync where information flows seamlessly between both systems. Also, decide on the frequency of these syncs, which will depend on how often you need your data updated within each platform. Whether it's daily, weekly, or another timeline, it's essential that your information remains current and consistent. Finally, after thoroughly reviewing all the settings, go ahead and click on Save and Sync. This action will apply all of your configurations and begin the data syncing process. Depending on the volume of data, the initial sync might take a little while, but subsequent updates generally run faster. Congratulations! You've just connected Freshsales to another CRM. This integration can enhance your business's workflow by centralizing data management and improving efficiency. Remember, whenever you need to perform similar connections, just follow these simple steps and you'll be all set in no time.